China's Tiangong space station is taking space research to the next level with a groundbreaking experiment involving zebrafish in zero gravity. By observing how these tiny fish swim, adapt, and potentially breed in microgravity, researchers aim to unlock the secrets of maintaining life support systems for future long-term space missions. Imagine what we can learn about living and thriving beyond Earth. This isn't just about fish, it's about understanding how life, including humans, could sustain itself on other planets. Curious to find out how this experiment might change space exploration forever? Let's dive in. The Zebrafish Experiment aboard China's Tiangong space station is a part of a groundbreaking project aimed at understanding how life responds to the unique challenges of space. This experiment, which is China's first in-orbit aquatic ecological research project, focuses on studying the behavior and development of vertebrates in microgravity. The zebrafish are housed in a specially designed aquatic tank that serves as a miniaturized self-sustaining ecosystem. It includes hornwort plants, which are capable of photosynthesis, providing oxygen to the fish while simultaneously absorbing carbon dioxide. This intricate setup mimics Earth's ecosystem, enabling researchers to monitor how space conditions disrupt or maintain balance in a closed-loop system. The primary objectives of this experiment are to examine how microgravity affects the growth and behavior of vertebrates and to evaluate the stability of aquatic ecosystems in space. Such studies are crucial for developing sustainable life support systems for long-term missions as they shed light on the biological challenges of maintaining vertebrate health in space. Prior to this experiment, astronauts aboard the International Space Station ISA observed peculiar behavioral changes in fish, such as inverted swimming and altered directional responses. Similarly, the Tiangong experiment aims to study how zebrafish adapt to the absence of gravity and other environmental changes, including their spatial orientation, feeding behavior, and interaction with their surroundings. Another key objective of the experiment is to encourage the zebrafish to breed in space. Successful reproduction would provide invaluable data on vertebrate embryonic development under microgravity, allowing scientists to observe changes in cell division, tissue growth, and organ formation. The zebrafish, known for their transparent embryos and external fertilization, offer a unique opportunity to monitor these processes visually and in real time. The findings from this experiment could pave the way for studying other vertebrates in space, ultimately enhancing our understanding of biological processes necessary for supporting human life in extraterrestrial habitats. Initial observations from the zebrafish experiment aboard Tiangong have revealed some intriguing behavioral changes. Due to the absence of gravitational force, the fish exhibited unusual directional swimming, often moving in erratic patterns or adopting an inverted posture. These behaviors are not just anomalies but rather responses to the unique environment of microgravity, where the fish's sense of balance and orientation is disrupted. This suggests that the vestibular systems, responsible for spatial orientation in vertebrates, are significantly affected by the lack of gravity. In addition to behavioral changes, researchers are closely monitoring the physiological responses of the zebrafish. Microgravity can alter many internal processes, including metabolism, bone density, and muscle function. While these effects are well documented in human astronauts, studying them in smaller, simpler vertebrates like zebrafish allows for a more controlled and detailed analysis. For instance, zebrafish are known to have similar muscle and bone structures to humans, making them an ideal model for understanding how these systems adapt to prolonged exposure to microgravity. Any observed changes in muscle atrophy or bone density in the fish could provide early indicators of similar effects in larger vertebrates, including humans. Moreover, researchers are using specialized imaging tools and advanced data analysis techniques to observe the zebrafish at a cellular level. This helps in identifying changes in gene expression and tissue development, offering insights into how microgravity impacts growth and health at a fundamental level. Understanding these changes is crucial for preparing humans and other species for long-term space missions and potential space colonization. One of the most exciting aspects of the experiment is the potential for zebrafish to breed in space. If successful, this would provide scientists with invaluable data on embryonic development and gene expression under microgravity. Previous experiments with Medaka fish aboard the ISS in 1994 showed successful mating and embryonic development, making zebrafish the next logical candidate for further research. Early indications suggest that the zebrafish have acclimated well to their new environment, but breeding success would confirm that vertebrate life cycles can be completed in space, a critical milestone for future space missions that may involve long-term habitation. The success of the zebrafish experiment on Tiangong has far-reaching implications for the future of space exploration. Understanding how vertebrates develop and potentially breed in microgravity could revolutionize our approach to long-duration missions, such as those to Mars or deep space habitats. One of the critical challenges of such missions is creating a sustainable and self-sufficient life support system. If we can successfully breed vertebrates and maintain ecological balance in space, it opens up the possibility of cultivating more complex ecosystems that include multiple species of plants and animals. This knowledge can directly impact the design of closed-loop life support systems, where waste products from one organism are recycled to support others in a symbiotic relationship. Such systems are essential for reducing the dependency on Earth's supplies and creating a sustainable environment for astronauts. The insights from the zebrafish experiment could be used to develop artificial habitats that support a wider range of species, potentially including mammals, which would be crucial for psychological and physiological well-being during long missions. Moreover, the ability to breed vertebrates in space offers new avenues for genetic and developmental research. For example, understanding how gene expression is altered in a zero-gravity environment could provide breakthroughs in medicine and biotechnology. Conditions like osteoporosis and muscle atrophy, which are exacerbated by microgravity, could be better understood and treated with data gathered from these experiments. Furthermore, the findings could influence agricultural practices in space, allowing for the cultivation of genetically modified plants and animals that are better suited for extraterrestrial environments. The ability to replicate Earth-like ecosystems in space could have profound implications for sustaining human life on other planets. The zebrafish experiment provides a model for testing biological processes that will be crucial in creating livable conditions for future space colonies. By successfully supporting vertebrate life in space, we move closer to transforming deep space travel into a reality and achieving self-sustaining habitats that can support human exploration far beyond our planet's orbit. In essence, the zebrafish experiment is not just a study of fish behavior, it's a pioneering project that could redefine our approach to living and thriving in space. The data collected will be instrumental in shaping the next generation of life support systems, genetic research, and ecological management for future space missions. By establishing that vertebrates can live and reproduce in space, we are one step closer to making the dream of interplanetary habitation a reality. In this video, we have learned about China's innovative zebrafish experiment aboard the Tiangong space station and its potential impact on future space missions. We hope you learned something new. If you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us what you think about this news and what you would like to know more about. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.